Bula, Bulavinaka. Beautiful evening from GASAUDRAU farm here in NAMOSI. We decided to light up the house for you to see because we've been, every time I do the live, I've always done the lives in the morning, and during the day, in the afternoons, also at night when it's raining. Some of you must be having dinner. Go and a farm. Maybe you can share with us what you're having for dinner. Yeah. And the sky is full of stars. Yeah. So that's the beautiful light of the house. I hope you enjoy the view. And then we're going to turn off the lights of the house and light up the rock. So Lavo is going to do that now. Pulibinaka prosa rasabulu amiliangali turanga nina mateni mekewai kiti rufina nimbulibinaka. So hopefully you can see the rock face of the mountain. So the Lena Romba is right there. We've got, okay. So we've turned off the lights and that's the rock face. With the lights on. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, so that's the rock face beside our house, and we've got a light shining on it. Thank you, everybody. Greetings from NAMOSI GASAUDRAU farm. On this beautiful evening, we've turned off the light and we've put the light on the rock. There you go. Bulambul, everybody. Hope you're enjoying your evening dinner, your cup of tea maybe, but showing some light on the rock. Nakbalevo, Melanie Tungi, Filimoni Saumaki, Andrew George. Warm greetings from GASAUDRAU farm. You can see the moths and the little insects flying, enjoying the evening light. That's the beautiful rock right there. Okay, so after this we'll turn on the lights again, and that will be the end of our evening light show. Yes, Buliskel Sirdembe, Kasayaliku, Madhu Nave. So that's the rock right beside our house at night with the lights. So Labo, you can turn on the lights again. Naka. And we can see the Milky Way. I'm not sure whether you can see the stars, but I'm just turning it around, and the stars are beautiful. Stars are beautiful. So that's the light on the rock, and you can see this from 5 miles away. And the rock has some light. So I hope by December we will have some movie shown on the rock. I'm working on it. That's a personal project, so we can play some movie, movie on the rock, and then people can just park their car near the house and enjoy the night. Olivia Williams. So here again. Hello, Bo. Okay. There you go. Let there be light. So we have a couple of lights, different light sets of lights in the house, and we can show you the different lights. And it's been wonderful. I think it was yesterday. There was a truck that was needing some repair work, and he drove all the way here just to park his car on the road and use our lights. So we're pretty grateful that we can offer lights in this house. So, and also we want to, wow, and our house is called Aotearoa. Okay, for those of you who don't know, we lived in New Zealand for 16 years, eh? Yeah. 16 plus 2, yeah. Because we went to Australia and then came back again. So that's our house. And we have different sets of lights. And if anybody who's watching would like to know where to buy this kind of lights, just inbox me and we'll be happy to help you. So that's one type of light. And it's so beautiful in the evening. And this is another set of light. It's gorgeous, yeah. And ta-da! This is where we can have some entertainment when we have family gatherings. We have the whole clan sitting here and all the kids running around. It's really fun to see them. And yeah, so these are the beautiful lights in the middle of the forest. That it's so gorgeous. And we also have the light over here that covers the light down to the farm. Yeah, you can see everything. And you can see my cabbage patch down there. Our farm. You can see our Tavioka farm over there. And of course, the favorites of all favorites, the weleti. Yeah, so these are the weleti. These are for our breakfast. So there's more getting ripe. There's a couple more popo trees ready for breakfast. Iya, sako ngaya vikim ni naturang kera marama the night show with the lights. We are just so humbled that we have very talented electricians here in the village. We have a nephew, his name is Dan. He may be watching us too right now. He likes to watch some of my lives. Pula nakotako Dan. Dan is an amazing electrician. He's a private contractor. And if any of you needs any of your lights be installed, you just let us know. And we can connect you with Dan. Yeah, he's a good worker. He does a wonderful job, as you can see, with our veranda here, nicely lit up. And this is our haven. we look forward to come home at the end of every day. Okay, so we're not going to leave everybody. That's all I would like to share with you all. Sending all our loloma to you all. Bulin Belinda Marawa, Nani Sembivi, Talimeri Buyale, Katarina Delebuna, and Tranibatiwale. Thank you so much for stopping by. Nakasisi. Yeah, it's good to share some of this information. I know many of us in our homes, we just have the normal tube light and the globes that we use. But we have solar, and we also have the main grid from EFL. And yeah, it's just been an awesome project. For those of you who've been to NAMOSI, it's just fascinating, to see the lights in the middle of the forest. So you'd be driving, and then all of a sudden you see the house and the light. Sakong haya, vekem ni naturang kinamarama, sawa mo chukani vekem ni Sara. Thank you for stopping by and sharing the love with us. Yeah. Salolom tian vekem ni kede ni mo de toka. Naklo sena wanga. Loloma ni vikemuni. Tony Batiwale, loloma to everybody at USP Library. Momombai, Kilioni. Bula Momombai. Just saying goodbye and sharing some lights from our farm in GASAUDRAU. So this is what it looks like at night. If you're driving up here, you will never miss our house. You'll never miss it. Yo, all right. Bye, everybody. Hope you can see me. Yes. This is the farmer saying goodbye to all of you. Sabamo dan Vikemuni, Lolo Mayani. Take care, everybody. See you tomorrow. Imode.